My name is Chelsea. I'm from the United States in Michigan. I started experiencing hair loss probably in my late teens, early 20s. It wasn't super noticeable, but I feel like it is now. I'd say the biggest aspect of the hair loss affecting my social life was for the longest I've just kind of always covered it or wore my hair down to the side. I couldn't part it down the middle or do any type of braids or anything if I wanted to. I couldn't change my hairstyle. So I look forward to hopefully changing that whenever I start to see the growth. So in about a year.
The journey to regaining her confidence started with a single step, a decision to take control.
I think the process was really smooth from the beginning when I originally signed up to where I'm at right now in recovery. They organized all of the rides, the hotel, everything. All I really had to do was send a down payment and then pay when I got here. So I think that was as smooth as possible, having everything planned out for me. And then in the procedure room, it was nerve-wracking because I've never shaved the back of my head before. So when I held my hair in my hand, I was like, wow, I don't know. It's something to take in as a woman. I'll adjust to that. It'll be a minute, but it did kind of hurt as far as emotionally, not physically. It's gonna be cold back there now.
The procedure was emotional, especially seeing her hair in her hands for the first time.
This feels crazy already. I can't imagine how men go through this all the time. It feels bald back there. We'll get used to it though. I plan on trying to style it or hide it, I don't know. Check how crazy this is. Yeah, I mean, it's not my best look, but we'll get there. I believe the DHI was so that way they wouldn't have to shave my entire head and they could be more precise where they're going, and I felt like that was a better option. I know men have a little bit more leeway. They could just shave their head and go on about their day, but I was still a little concerned. I mean, even just losing the back of my hair was enough, so I'm glad I picked that technique. I don't know how many women actually struggle with it or not, because a lot of us have our ways of covering things, but I'm sure it's out there, and that's why I wanted to do this interview and all that stuff, because I had a hard enough time finding other women who spoke on it. I think I really found one video. So I think if this helps somebody, I'm happy. I don't know exactly whose video I had came across, but I had bookmarked the website. This was probably over a year ago. Kind of researched a few different companies, but this one felt the most, I don't know, put together, because Smile Clinic asked for lab work to see if there was anything wrong, thyroid issues or anything. The other companies that I interviewed, they didn't ask for all of that. And that made me feel a little bit more comfortable that they're looking into those things instead of just throwing transplants onto anybody. I definitely would recommend coming here. Not that I know every company that's out there, but this one had a good process. Follow the true transformation.
This is more than just hair. It's about feeling like herself again.